Yo, you guys would never be able to guess what just came in today. Look. Let me go get a knife and let's open this thing up. Got the knife. Alright, so it's actually just this small box here that came inside this big ass box. So let's start opening it up. It's MountDog. So all these are all the bulbs, and these are probably the stands. And it is. It's like the tripod stand. So. Alright, so this is the MountDog photography 3-piece lighting kit that I got off Amazon for 115 bucks. So if you want the link to the 3 light kit here, I'll post it on the description below. Alright, so as you guys can already tell, or if you guys can't tell, I already had 2 lights set up. Have this one left, so I'll show you guys how to set this one up. So again, they come with 3 light stand and 3 light balances where you could put the light bulbs in, and 16 bulbs. So they do come with the bulbs as well. They're 45 watts and 5500 Kelvin. Okay, so how you're gonna set it up is you just put this ballast right on top of this collar here, and then you just lock it down and then it stays in place. And then after that, don't put the lights on yet because you want to put this soft box on top of here first. So you just put it on here like so. And obviously it doesn't stay up. So they also give you guys 4 of these little rods. So there's 2 parts to this rod. So there's a more flatter side, and then there's also the round side. This round side is for the soft box. This goes into the light ballast. So as you can see, this is the Velcro part, and then it stops right here. So it actually goes right behind the Velcro. Like I said, you want to put that through the box first and then put it through the ballast. Also, one tip, if it's getting kind of hard to put in and you don't want to bend the rod too much, you could also take the Velcro in the back here. Get kind of Velcroed in, so you could open them up bigger in the back here, so you can have more room to bend these rods or finesse them in. So yeah, once you're done with that, just make sure you put these Velcro back all together. Okay, so once you're done with that, all that 4 corner, then it's time to put the lights in or the bulbs in. And I think you guys already know how to do that. You just screw it in. So once you're done with putting the bulbs on, you want to put this cover on to soften up the lights. So they're kind of gonna be upside down, so you just, or inside out, so you just gotta flip them over because it has this Velcro side on the inside. So you just flip them over because the Velcro on the other side is on the outside here. So you just want to make sure they stick together so it goes on there well. Just start from the top. It's just much easier. Alright, so this is the light comparison between the softbox and just like my regular floor lamp that I have available. So this is just 2 of them on, and this is with just my regular floor lamp with the same setting. So yeah, again, so as you can see, this is much clearer and it looks way nicer. Again, these are pretty good, so yeah, I like them.